Hey, I'm Justin Gordon from beautiful Maui, Hawaii, right by the beach on the North Shore in Paia. Hey, today I'm going to tell you about our new business idea. It's called Rails on Maui, and what it is, it's a way for you to come to Maui, learn Ruby on Rails with some great instructors, some great educational materials, and not only learn a lot, but get a tax-deductible trip to Maui. So you can learn, then you can take a break in the day, go to the beach, go surfing, go windsurfing, go kiteboarding, go have a blast, then come back to your room, do a little bit of studying at night, and then when you get stuck, we'll help you out, and you will guaranteed learn Ruby on Rails in a way that I believe is more effective than going to a conference room in Los Angeles or any big city for a week. So that's basically the program, and we're going to set you up with a nice monitor, a nice chair, a nice place to study, place to stay, and we'll help make sure that you get the full tax deduction that you would qualify. So that's a business idea. So what have we done? Is this are we going to be able to see, does this idea really work? So we found that it seems to be a lot more difficult to validate a business idea where you're selling stuff that costs at least a couple $1,000s versus selling $7 books on how to SMS girls more effectively. So, how do we do this? We tried Craigslist and we got pretty much nowhere. We put up some ads and got zero response. So that's not telling us anything. I did ask a lot of friends, and I got a lot of friends in the technology industry, and they're smart enough that they know they're not just going to tell me it's a great idea unless they really think it is. One of the comments I got I really liked is that my father used to go to medical meetings in Aspen where he showed up in the morning for an hour or so and then skied all day. And I think that's a common theme. There's lots of trips in the world, business trips, where people they have a legitimate business purpose to be somewhere, but they get to go visit somewhere they want to visit. And that's part of what you're doing here is you come to Maui, you want to visit Maui, spend a few weeks here, you're going to learn something, and the trip's going to be tax deductible. So, Craig, we know not enough not to just believe our friends are going to tell us it's a great idea or not a great idea. We really got to figure out, will people buy this idea? So, Google AdWords and a real website. I know that's not the total ghetto way to do it, but hey, we're stepping up the plate. We built a great website on there. Please visit it, railsonmaui.com. We've got an interactive calculator there. You can actually see the tax break that you will get if you come here, and see that actually if you do spend several weeks here and you do write off your airfare, your lodging, and the course as a legitimate business expense, you will actually spend less money on your trip than if you just came here for a vacation. So how's it going? Well, we launched the AdWords campaign with a budget of only $10 per day. We're getting quite a few showings of the ads. We're getting our 10 click-throughs a day. And for the 10 click-throughs a day, we're getting a 10% response rate on people giving us their emails saying they want more information. And this is on our very initial preliminary website. There's not a lot of information on there. We want to make it a whole lot better. So that's it. It's hard to say. We've only had 2 days. We've had 2 email responses. Will we keep getting that rate? Who knows? So there's definitely a conclusion. There's definitely a market for learning Ruby on Rails. There's definitely a big market for vacationing here in Maui. There's definitely a lot of people that like these sort of trips to get a tax break. We want to put them all together, and we're utilizing the best technology available for studying, which we're partnering with Michael Hartel and delivering his screencast, and we're delivering tutors that have gone through the screencast so they can help students get through it and build a sample application. So, where do we go from here? Well, that's why I'm giving you this video. We'd really like to know how to validate this sort of business. It's a niche business. The price is high. But we've got to find those customers, figure out, are there enough customers a year to keep this business going? On the plus side, there's pretty low startup costs for us. Let us know what the next thing is to do. If we need to come out to Austin and talk to you guys for a weekend or whatever, maybe some other Sumo people will see this and check out our website and come take a trip out to Maui and learn some technology and have a great time. Thank you very much.